Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an unfull feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So first to the face, I hear the voice, now you don't know, say a cogency pon the cogency racks channel. And today, we have PR Sad R6 with Karma. They say this in the dead spot Karma. We don't believe in karma, cause when man that gonna this man hard or for the things that we brought about. You understand? We heard the preview from months ago, bro. So we just been a wait for them for drop it, you see me? If my sound kinda stuffy or whatever, I just woke up, bro. My nose not really clear up like that yet, but I just wake up, dog. So I just did what hurry up and just react to the song. Call yesterday I'm supposed to react to it, dog, but I couldn't. You understand? So click my links in the description, gaming channel, music channel, Instagram, bro. I'm posting like 3 times a week on my gaming channel now, bro. And y'all niggas ain't checking it out, bro. Just go over there and go check it out. Even if you don't want to watch a video, just go over there and leave a sub for me. You understand? So I can help grow that channel. You understand? I want to get some gaming going. When FIFA come out, I can jump on and play FIFA another day with me. You see me? So you don't know. Yeah, so do that. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let's jump into it. SAD. You know. R6. The sum of a person's actions in this and previous states of existence viewed as deciding their fate in future existences. Good or bad luck viewed as resulting from one's actions. In the dead bad karma. We don't believe in karma. When man's dead, they're gonna diss man harder. All of the youths, we bored and blaster. Dangerous shotties and shavers, glocks with lasers, stems that's quaking. You see, they have the same reaction when I hear R6 to that flow. Urgent raises, rapture raises, aye. I say, and PR Sad say, aye. Yo, that's sick, fam. I can't even start the song. Alright, let me start it. I'm sorry, bros. I'm gonna start it, man. The shavers, glocks with lasers, stems that's quaking. We got hide our faces, cause we make unknown corpses. I had this in the dead bad karma. We don't believe in karma. When man's dead, they're gonna diss man harder. For all of the youths, we bored and blaster, armed and dangerous, shotties and shavers, glocks with lasers, stems that's quaking. We gotta hide our faces, cause we make unknown corpses famous. This in the dead bad karma. We don't believe in karma. They're gonna diss man harder. For all of the youths, we bored and blaster, armed and dangerous, shotties and shavers, glocks with lasers, stems that's quaking. We gotta hide our faces, cause we make unknown corpses famous. No. I'm sorry if you did want me go to the verse immediately, but this hook, fam, just hearing that beat, like just listen to the 808s, bro. We don't believe in karma. Just listen, man, listen. Just take time with me, please. Just listen. Listen! I had this in the dead bad karma. We don't believe in karma. When man's dead, they're gonna diss man harder. For all of the youths, we bored and blaster, armed and dangerous, shotties and shavers, glocks with lasers, stems that's quaking. We gotta hide our faces, cause we make unknown corpses famous. I had this in the dead bad karma. We don't believe in karma. When man's dead, they're gonna diss man harder. For all of the youths, we bored and blaster, armed and dangerous, shotties and shavers, glocks with lasers, stems that's quaking. We gotta hide our faces, cause we make unknown corpses famous. I rage. They say they don't dance, but got fried in his nose in a party. First in a ride, not lardy. Spot him and drop him, don't question the army. SAD, spot him and drop him. Search and destroy. Man, I don't even know. I'm sure it has another meaning there, but silent and dangerous. I don't know, man. SAD. Faces, cause we make unknown corpses famous. They say they don't dance, but got fried in his nose in a party. TC first in a ride, not lardy. Spot him and drop him, don't question the army. 4-door truck, no car key, push to start. New things are classy. Got quanged in his face, so it's nasty. Got splashed in his G, don't ask me. Got quanged in his face, it was nasty. Quang face name nasty, you understand?
Push to start, new things are classy. Got quanged in his face, it was nasty. Got splashed in his cheek, don't ask me. 019 when the gang them cleaned up. Three of them boys with Jesus. Speechless, now they got a rifle and idiots. Point blank settings when got seasoned. Got queffed and splashed. Next time we might just leave them. They don't like beef, they're part-time vegans. They only step when we give them reasons. Hold my breath, now I gotta focus.
Hey, big up the road, big up the road. Hey, fam, seeing Do Road and PR Sad and R6 in the same place, bro, that's a scary sight, man. Who said that? Fredo in the cut, that's a scary sight. You understand? Do Road in the cut, that's a scary sight, bro. You understand?
Like beef, they're part-time vegans. They only step when we give them reasons. Hold my breath, now I gotta focus.
You slap to you with a car in motion. Yo, where did I hear this verse from? Hold my breath, now I got focus. Change up to you with a car in motion. No, this is from shit. If you had one wish, I think it's from One Wish, dog. I don't know. But this verse sounds very familiar. I've been rapping it the entire time. I don't know where it come from. Tell me where this verse is from in the comments. Like, I know it, obviously, because I'm singing it, but I just don't remember the song.
Nasty, got splashed in his cheek, don't ask me. 019 when the
Gang them cleaned up. Free them boys with Jesus.
Speechless, now they got a rifle and idiots. Point blank settings when got seasoned. Got queffed and splashed. Next time we might just leave him. They don't like beef.
Alright. No, I don't know why, but my phone did just stop recording for some reason. So at least I have the whenever I lose, I'm just do while ago. But it's just that my vibe my energy kind of broke up, dog. So I kind of need to bring back the whole verse. I don't care if you're vexed, dog. My phone fuck up my flow, so I have to do this.
We make unknown corpses famous.
I rage.
They say they don't dance, but got fried and his nose in the party.
TC first in a ride, not lardy. Spot him and drop him, don't question the
army.
Four-door truck, no car key, push to start. New things
are classy.
Got quanged in his face, it was
nasty.
Got splashed in his cheek, don't ask me. 019 when the
Gang them cleaned up. Three of them boys with Jesus.
Speechless, now they got a rifle
them idiots.
Point blank settings when got seasoned. Got queffed and splashed. Next time we might just leave him. They don't like beef.
They hear the vocal sample.
They only step when we give them reasons. Hold my breath, now I gotta focus. You and slap to you with a car in motion. Real life gun boy, still do soaking. They jammed on, so we jumped out, poked him. Original like when Sainsbury was home and on tops temps left the rotty and old with them youths are bogus. Them mates on pendants, they ain't even
frozen.
The streets, they wanna hear violence. Me, I'm ducking from Trident. Tensions high cause we ride in silence. Brought back in the spring when riding. Bro said we doing due timing. I don't know about him, but I'm fully on my thing. I wanna go now, I want a blood clot, find him. Two last couldn't come big like Simon. I ain't been shot while the pagans lying. Old school pushback days with giant. LPG, we knew was cycling. Sound too big corn, I was smiling. I put what happened that day when we came with two raps and they went firing. He got dipped like the boy was a migrant.
He got dipped like the boy was a migrant. But shit, the man get deported, man. The man got tipped, fam.
That day when we came with two raps and they went firing. He got dipped like the boy was a migrant. Got splashed, same with. Got blasted, now his arm just black like China. I don't wearing designer, still never.
No, his arm just black like China. What?
Got blasted, now his arm just black like China. I don't wearing designer, still never burnt that one is a minor. I was locked in a cage like a tiger. Why did a man love cyber?
I was locked in the cage like a tiger. Why did a man love cyber? Yeah. R6 found me like the calm, just chatting real shit to the dog. Yeah, that's him now excite up himself. Him just calm and laid back and, you understand, got blasted and it's all just black like China. Like, fam, why is his arm black like China, bro? Why?
One is a minor. I was locked in a cage like a tiger. Why did a man love cyber? I heard this in the dead bad karma.
We don't believe in karma. When man's dead, they're gonna diss man harder. For all of the youths, we board and blast our armed and dangerous shotties and shavers.
Glocks with laser stems that's quaking. We gotta hide our faces, cause we make unknown corpses famous. I heard this in the dead bad karma.
We don't believe in karma. When man's dead, they're gonna diss man harder. For all of the youths, we board and blast our armed and dangerous shotties and shavers.
Glocks with laser stems that's quaking. We gotta hide our faces, cause we make unknown corpses famous. I heard this in the dead bad karma.
We don't believe in karma. When man's dead, they're gonna diss man harder. For all of the youths, we board and blast our
armed and dangerous shotties and shavers. Glocks with laser stems that's quaking.
We gotta hide our faces, cause we make unknown corpses famous.
I Mizzy, turn me up.
I Mizzy, turn me up. Yeah. Yeah, man. This was sick, man. PR Sad, R6, 67, Karma. Yeah, man, this was sick. I heard the PR verse from somewhere though, dog. Let me know in the comments, cause I can't remember now. Hold my breath. Now I got focus. Change up the youth with a car emotion. No, that has to be from One Wish, dog. I can't remember that from anywhere else. Or 3/9. Boy, I don't know. You not gonna let me know in the comments though. Where are the bars from that verse from? Or maybe it's not the whole verse, but I know a couple bars. You understand? Tell me where it's from. This is sick. I'll probably give this 8 out of 10. Yeah, man. Cogency on the Cogency Rocks channel. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Hey! Whew. Say bless you, motherfucker. If you see this and you don't say bless you, you'll get bad luck. Make sure you comment bless you if you see this. But about this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah.
Can't wait the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. I love you, yeah, yeah.